Hi guys, this is Vasu and we are discussing on SEO, how to do search engine optimization. In this we have discussed already in my previous video of 5 simple steps. As we can mention one more time here. The first one, webmaster tool configuration. The second one, select keyword for your business. And third one, implement keywords in your SEO areas. Fourth one, create quality backlinks. Fifth one, create and update a blog for your business. In this, we are going to discuss about webmaster tool configuration. Today, I can tell you how to configure the webmaster tool and why to configure the webmaster tool and what are all the requirements you require for configuring the webmaster tools. To configure the webmaster tool, we require first thing and foremost thing a Gmail ID for Google webmaster tool, a Yahoo or a Hotmail or Yahoo Mail for Bing. It's most probably Microsoft Mail you need to have, like Yahoo or Live.com, Yahoo Hotmail.com or Live.com. You need to have one that mail ID. So in this, first we can discuss about Google Webmaster Tool configuration. To configure the Google Webmaster Tool, first we have to create the Google account, Gmail account. So once you have the Gmail account, then in Google just type webmaster tools. See, you can get Google webmaster tool. So you can log in with your account now. Yes, this is my webmaster tool. This is my mines. These are the sites what I have. So I have so many sites here. I was already updated. So here, if you don't have any sites, it will show anything. You need to go add properties. Add a property. For example, whatever I will give on some 123.com. See, once you are given your website name, it will give two methods. You need to, while you are giving your website, you should verify your website that you have owned that site. For that, you have two methods. You need to verify that one. For that, you have two methods. One is for HTML verification file. If you click here, you can get one file will be downloaded. See, now you can one file will be downloaded here. You can download this file and you need to keep this file in your hosting. Means you can use FileZilla. In last video I was discussed about this FileZilla. If you want to know how to use FileZilla, you can use that one. Here, see, this is the file. The file what I was downloaded there, that was updated in here Google. This is Google HTML file. You need to keep this file here. Then after, once you keep the file there, then click on this link, confirm. To confirm, you need to verify just is it uploaded correctly or not. Once it is uploaded, then you can click I'm not a robot, then verify. Once you verify, so it will be verified. If now I have not uploaded, I was given 123 is dummy site. So see, verification failed. Once you update it, then you need to click, then it will verify. So one verify. Else you can use one more method also, alternation method, and this is the code, that one. See, you can use HTML tag. In HTML tag, you can use the tag what they will provide one tag for you. See, this is the tag. Just you can copy this tag totally, copy it and paste in your code header section. In header, you can keep this code. Then verify the site. Once you verify, it will come there. Then once you verified, then it will be appeared here. See, if you can see, suppose 123.com. This is the site just now I added, right? But see, it's not verified because I was not verified this one. So it's showing not verified. And these are the sites are already verified. In this site, I will show how to configure everything in the site. Let's suppose we create featuremedia.ae. Here you can see in the dashboard, you can see what is the status of your site, crawl errors, search analytics, and sitemaps details it will show. Here first thing you need to check is search appearance. In this first you need to check structured data. There what are the structured data you are using, in that how many is there in, let you see here some errors are there. It is showing errors. What are the errors are there? You can see the errors here. You can rectify the errors there in your website. See here, missing name. If I say error is, if you say missing name is in these two errors, name is missing. So rest all are okay. There you need to solve these issues. These are very important for SEO. So these will affect morely in SEO. And second one, HTML improvements. Here also you can see in HTML improvements. See here I have some duplicate metadata, meta descriptions. You should not have any duplicate meta description like that. You don't title tags are missing for me, and duplicate titles are there. So all these things you need to solve. All these things you need to rectify in your website. And then you can see in search traffics, you can see search analytics here, same like how it is curling and everything. Search analytics, here it will come. See here you can get the data, how it's your search analytics are there and everything. All data will be what are the sites, what are the keywords are stretching. See here if you can see use the printing machines in UAE, it's clicked by 6 times and it's clicked by 4 times. Like that you can get the data, what are the keywords are mainly important for use and everything. Then after second one, links to your site. Like this will give you what are the backlinks you have. In this you can check if there is any bad backlinks, then you can remove those. Yes, here you can see what are the sites, google.com and WordPress and tool for you, ad page, Monilla, some like these pages are giving the backlinks for me. Total I have 52 backlinks here. So these backlinks you can check in this, if any like bad backlinks are there, you can examine those, and if anything is there, then you can remove those backlinks. If the bad backlinks are there for your site, it's very difficult for you. So it will be Google will drop your site. So you need to take care about those. Then after internal links, in internal links it will show how your internal pages are going on, how internal pages are there, how it will show here like this, what all the internal pages are there and everything. Again one more thing here, if you see international targeting, this is one more important one. So see, let me see my website, my site, it's futuremedia.ae. So your site domain is currently associated with United Arab Emirates, means my business is in United UAE, so my site is in UAE, whereas my site URL also futuremedia.ae. So AE it seems United Arab Emirates. If you have your site in .com, it will not take automatically. Then you need to give on which country your business is there. It will help you to get the local traffic, more local traffic. By that you can get the more hits. This is very important. You need to take care about those. Then after we can see Google Index. In Google Index there is index status. In index status you can say how many pages are indexed in your Google. Total I have 86 pages are indexed for me. And here if you want to remove any links, like any pages, if you don't want to go index with Google, those you can remove from here. I don't have anything like this. And go to crawl. In crawl there are crawl errors. These you need to take care. You need to verify often. Often you need to verify what are the problems in your site, what are all the errors are there. It should be DNS should be green, server connectivity should be green, robot.fetch.txt, these through should be green. Then only you can get the good SEO score. If DNS problem or server connectivity problem, these are the problem with the hosting, those who are providing for your website. You need to speak with them. Then they need to solve the issues. If any robots.txt file, I will tell you how to update. Here if you see robot.txt file, for updating the robots.txt file, just open a notepad, then copy this one, create the robots.txt file, notepad file, open one new notepad file and give the name as robots.txt. Then go to FileZilla. In FileZilla just upload that file into your home. See in hosting, robots.txt. Then just you can drag, if the file is here, just drag it here, it will come to there. So robot.txt file will come upload here. Then once it is updated there, then you can submit here. Once you submit, it will automatically check it. So once it's submitted, automatically robot.txt file in curl errors will come green. Once you update the robot.txt file in your hosting, and then you submit, then it will come green. Then after, you need to check fetch as Google. In fetch as Google, if you updated any page while runtime, if you are updating the page, or if you are modified any page, you should inform to Google that my page got updated, please call my site. Google will call your site periodically, like after some sites will call in 1 week, some sites call in 1 day, some sites in 1 hour. That's depend upon the ratio. Then once, if you updated any site, if you want immediate calling, then you can give the request in here. Just type your URL, what the site you are going to, where you are updated. Like if I say some index .php. So if I updated this one, then I need to go this one, like home page. Yeah, this site is got redirected for me, so no problem. You can give the request to index. Here there are two options. There you need to say I'm not robot. First you need to confirm the robot, not robot. And there is two options. Curl only this URL, means it will curl only the site what you have. If you curl this URL and direct links, means it will curl this link at the direct links which are linked in this page. You will curl it. But this second option will come only 10 submissions per month. And first option will come 500 submissions per month. I have already submitted one. I have 44, 49. So you can submit like this. This will, if you request the fetch as Google, then Google will call your site immediately. Then after, you need to check robot.txt file is gone. So sitemap. In the sitemaps, you need to create the sitemap for your site. Means sitemap is nothing but the internal links pattern of your site. So what are all the, like, see, if I see this, you see, I can have how many pages, like I have 38, 39 pages. What are all the pages? I have all pages, you can show it here. To create the sitemaps, there is a one site name, prositemaps.com. You can go on this site and you can give the URL here and your website. You can start it. Once you start it, it will call your site and it will create the website. It will create the sitemap and it will send a link to your mail. Then you can download the sitemaps. There you need to download .xml file only to update the file. Once you download the .xml file, just using the this one, using the FileZilla, you can update in your hosting sitemap.xml. See, I was created one sitemap and I was updated here. So once I updated, then you can submit here. Once you updated the sitemap, then you can submit here from sitemaps. Yes, here you can add it. Add the sitemap. So what is the sitemap you have? You can give it here. I can test it here. View test result. See, I have 39. I have one sitemap all updated there, and this 39 submit. 39 URLs are there. Then you can submit same thing. You can submit here. Same like add a test here. You can submit it. It will come to here. And if anything errors are there, if I see one warning is there, what is the warning also it can show here. What is the warning? Like this is the error. Then you need to rectify those errors. This is the webmaster tool which will play very key role on your SEO. This is the first one we need to know. Same like this, we have the Bing also. You need to do it for same like this to Bing also. So to go to Bing webmaster tools, and everything will be same like this only. You need to create sitemaps. You need to internal targeting, and everything will be like this only. Once you did it, your step 1 will be completed. Then I will come with the step 2. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.